Namaskar world and welcome to our channel. Floods are among the most devastating natural disasters, affecting millions worldwide each year. But with the right knowledge and preparation, we can minimize their impact. Let's delve into understanding floods and how to stay safe. A flood is an overflow of water onto land that is usually dry. They can result from heavy rainfall, dam breaks or rapid snowmelt. Floods can develop slowly or suddenly, as in the case of flash floods. According to the CDC, floods are the most common and widespread of all weather-related natural disasters. Floods can be caused by various factors. Heavy rainfall can overwhelm drainage systems, rivers can overflow, and dam or levee failures can release vast amounts of water. Urbanization also plays a role by creating more paved surfaces, which increase water runoff. Climate change has intensified the frequency and severity of floods. Warmer temperatures allow the atmosphere to hold more moisture, leading to heavier rainfall. Melting glaciers and rising sea levels also contribute to coastal flooding. The WHO emphasizes the need for communities to adapt and become more resilient to these events. Knowing if you live in a flood-prone area is crucial. You can check with local authorities or consult flood maps provided by organizations like the Red Cross. In Nepal, regions like the Terai are especially vulnerable because of their low-lying geography. Preparation can save lives. Build an emergency kit with essentials like clean water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, important documents, and medications. At home, elevate electrical appliances and install backflow valves to prevent sewage from backing up. Create a family evacuation plan and know your community's designated evacuation routes. The CDC offers detailed guidance on how to prepare. Disaster preparedness before a flood also includes staying informed through official weather channels and alerts, securing important documents in waterproof containers, training family members in basic first aid, and keeping digital backups of medical and identification records. If you're taking chronic medications, always ensure you have at least a week's supply in your emergency kit. It's important to understand flood warnings. A flood watch means conditions are favorable for flooding, while a flood warning means flooding is imminent or already occurring. Always follow instructions from local authorities and evacuate if told to do so. During a flood, avoid walking or driving through flood waters. They can be deeper and more dangerous than they appear. Stay informed by monitoring weather updates, and if you're trapped at home, move to the highest possible level. Just 6 inches of moving water can knock a person down. 2 feet can carry away a vehicle. If flooding occurs while you're indoors, turn off utilities only if it is safe to do so. Avoid using any electrical devices. Help others, especially those with disabilities, elderly neighbors, and pregnant women, to reach safer locations. Post-flood safety is equally important. Avoid contact with floodwater, which may be contaminated with sewage or chemicals. Clean and disinfect your home thoroughly to prevent mold growth, and check for structural damage or gas leaks. The CDC advises using protective clothing and gloves when cleaning up to avoid infections or injuries. After the flood, continue boiling water until authorities declare it safe. Dispose of any food that may have come in contact with floodwaters. Pay close attention to your health and watch for signs of waterborne diseases. Keep cuts and sores out of the dirty water and seek medical attention if any signs of infection appear. Health risks increase after a flood. Waterborne diseases like cholera, hepatitis A, and typhoid can spread through contaminated water. Standing water becomes breeding grounds for mosquitoes, increasing the risk of diseases like dengue and malaria. Floods also have mental health impacts. Stress, trauma, and loss can lead to anxiety and depression. Healthcare professionals play a critical role in all phases of disaster response. Before the disaster, we help in educating communities about risks, preparing emergency medical supplies, and training in first aid. During floods, we are on the front lines, treating injuries, providing clean water and hygiene education, and ensuring continuity of care for chronic illnesses. After the flood, we help prevent disease outbreaks, offer mental health support, and assist in rehabilitating affected individuals and families. In rural areas with limited access, mobile medical teams and telemedicine support can be life-saving. Vulnerable populations require extra protection. Children and the elderly are more susceptible to infections and injuries. Pregnant women need access to clean water and medical care. People with disabilities may need special assistance during evacuation and recovery. Communities must work together to ensure everyone's safety. Government agencies and organizations like the Red Cross play a critical role in disaster response. Participating in community preparedness programs and disaster drills enhances collective resilience and makes recovery more efficient. We also need to think about the environment. Planting more trees helps absorb excess rainwater, while proper waste disposal keeps drains clear. Sustainable urban planning with green spaces and permeable surfaces helps reduce flood risks. Let's clear up some flood myths. Many believe floods can't happen in their area, but floods can strike anywhere. Another dangerous myth is that you can drive through floodwaters. This is extremely risky and often deadly. Let's talk about some recent global flood events to understand how real and urgent this threat is. In July 2023, northern India experienced catastrophic floods due to record-breaking rainfall, leading to hundreds of deaths and the displacement of thousands. In Libya, in September 2023, Storm Daniel led to dam collapses in Derna, killing over 10,000 people and causing severe infrastructure destruction. In Brazil and Indonesia, flash floods have affected millions, leaving healthcare systems overwhelmed. These events show that floods are not only deadly, but also disrupt healthcare delivery, education, and livelihoods for months or even years. Floods are powerful natural events, but awareness and preparation can save lives. Share this video to help your community stay safe and informed. Stay aware, stay prepared, and stay safe. This video is brought to you by Dr. Rajdeep Bahadur Khatri. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay informed and stay healthy.